Hi, I am Anusha from PVGR Academy. In this session, we discuss about types of vibrations. First, we have to know what is vibration and how it occurs. Vibration, it is a periodic motion of particles in elastic body. And how it occurs. For example, when we play a music in sound box and volume is increased, then we observe that vessels in our home starts vibrating. This is known as vibration. On the basis of excitation means external force. On the basis of external force, vibrations are classified into three types. First one, free vibrations. And second is forced vibration. And third is damped vibrations. First we discuss about free vibrations. When no external force acting on the body after giving an initial displacement, then the body is said to be under free vibrations. And the frequency of free vibrations is known as natural frequency. Examples of free vibrations are simple pendulum. Now we discuss about forced vibrations. When the body vibrates under the influence of external force, then the body is said to be under forced vibrations. In forced vibrations, after the removal of external force, the body comes to rest and die out in due course of time. Examples of forced vibrations are pendulum in a clock. And damped vibrations. When there is a reduction in amplitude over every cycle of vibration, then the body is said to be under damped vibrations. Examples of damped vibrations are mass oscillates under water. In damping, we have three different conditions. First, we have to know damped harmonic oscillator. For an ideal harmonic oscillator, the amplitude remains constant for an infinite time. When the body vibrates in air or in any other media which offer resistance to its motion, then amplitude gradually decreases and body comes to rest. This is due to the fact that the body is subjected to frictional force. This motion is known as damped simple harmonic motion. Equation of damped simple harmonic oscillator is d square x by dt square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square x is equal to 0. B is known as damping coefficient. And 1 by B is known as decay modulus. Solution of this equation is x is equals a1 e power minus b plus under root b square minus omega square into t plus a2 minus b minus under root b square minus omega square into t. Depending upon the values of b and omega, we have three different conditions. First one is overdamped. Second condition is critical damping. And third condition is underdamped. In overdamped, the condition is b square greater than omega square. Under root b square minus omega square is real and it is less than b. In this, the particle once displaced and returned to its equilibrium position without performing any oscillation. Examples of this condition is pendulum moving in a thick oil. And critical damping. The condition is b square is equal to omega square. In this, the particle acquires equilibrium position much rapidly. This motion is known as critical damping. Example of critical damping is many pointers in ammeter and voltmeter. Finally, we discuss about underdamped condition. In this, the condition is b square less than omega square and under root b square minus omega square is imaginary. In this, decay of the amplitude depends upon the damping coefficient. Example of this condition is oscillations in LCR circuit. Thank you.